Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to contact the customer service in the Trip.com application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. And then click on the account button at the bottom of the page on the right. And if you scroll down, look for the customer support button and click on that. And as you can see, there's a service chat that provides instant help if you need it. And then you can find some frequently asked questions here. But you can also chat with the customer support, you can call them, and you can email them as well. So there are several ways you can contact them if you need any help. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.